Hello, my name is Marek, and today I will review this content of this box. And actually, what should be inside is a set of 4 figures. It's called Hot Rod Rodders by American Diorama, and it's in scale 1:18. And I'm really wondering how those figures will look like. Actually, this one came from Germany just today. Just 3 working days after I ordered it on eBay for a price of $50 US. And normally one figure from a brand like Auto Art would be $70, and here in this pack I have 4 figures for $50. Okay. Wow. So I'm not receiving one pack. I'm actually receiving 4 separate figures. This is strange. I would expect the whole package, like a set, but I receive them separately. I don't know if this is normal, but at least they are packed and they look new. So I would need to unpack them one by one, which is crazy. A lot of extra work. There is nothing else, there is no invoice, no paper, no document, no. Just the 4 figures. And I'll just clean them a little bit before. Oh, it's that electrostatic. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And get rid of this mess. Okay. So the first one, that's the lady. American Diorama, 1:18, choking hazard. Okay. The recommendation here, even if you are 14, you should not play with this, okay? It's very dangerous. So unless you are 15 or more, then you can have them. That's a really dangerous thing. And I don't know how to unpack. Maybe, I will just destroy it. What else can I do? Oh, how the hell is this packed? So let's now look at all those details. So you can see the shoes, and probably this is colored by hand. The fingers, okay. And I was really wondering how those eyes and the face will look like. And here, it looks fine. The hair looks fine. The head, it's a baseball head. Yeah, and in general, this is quite nice looking. No real flaws, nothing like that. Okay, so let's place it here and take out another one. Now the second one is a man with a cigar. And here you can see the glasses, the gray hair. It's actually a combination of black and white. The mustache is black, but then the beard is white. Okay. And it seems like everything else here is correct, even the cigar with the red part here. And the finger. Okay, it's if you see it from the other side, you can see that the color here is also a little bit on that cigar. Yeah. And here you can also see that a little bit of the color from the hand is also on his t-shirt. Yeah, I will just focus here a little bit more. Okay. So it's not always 100% precise. The watch, you don't see anything on the watch. There are no details. It's just gray part here and the stripe is black. But there are no details on that wristwatch. And here, the hand is a little bit again, you know, on the jeans. And the shoes are okay. I personally would color the bottom of those shoes by black color. So that's the second one. Let's go to the third one. I call this one a fat guy. Not so bad. Look here, the eyes, very nice. The head. Oh, here you can see that the beard here, half of it is black, half of it is, I don't know what's the color of skin, but the color of skin is also here. It should still be black. Maybe I will fix it later by painting this part here black. Okay. What's that? You see here. I don't know if this is intentional or not. And the shoes, not so bad. There's even a little bit of dirt here. I don't know if you can see it. Probably this is intentional. This is a dirty guy and there is some dirt on his t-shirt. And you can also see the breast here. This is ridiculous, but I like it. That's funny. Yeah, the fat guy. Okay. And the last one. And I believe they have the same package for every figure. There is no name, so I don't know if this figure is a figure of a real person or if this is just a random. Okay, let's go to the next one. Eyes are okay. The hair is okay. Look at his ear. It's kind of, I don't know. Does he have any disease? Because his ear is like half of it is some kind of, it's a tumor or, oh gosh, this is disgusting. On the other side, this is okay. This is disgusting. That's gross. Okay, fingers okay. I would maybe just paint the nails a little bit. The nails are not visible. The same here with the nails. Some extra work would be needed. And the socks, black socks and brown shoes with the shoelace, which is again not colored. So some details are missing, but it's a question now if you really want to invest more time and, you know, fix all those details and maybe paint it a little bit more. Yeah, there is no hair on his legs. Probably he is shaving, but as I'm saying, those are just small details. So, okay, if I just place it here, with the camera focusing on that. It looks quite nice, and I will now place it to my garage. Alright guys, so as you can see here, directly in my garage, all of those figures are standing there already. The fat guy on the left side and the pointing guy, I don't know exactly what he's pointing at. And then we have the young lady with the yellow hat, and we have the boss looking at us through his glasses. And as you can see, it's really nice environment here. I really love it. And you know, if you have your own cars, if you have your own diorama, this is a perfect, let's say, enhancement, because it looks amazing. And especially if you have only a low budget and you don't have to really buy outdoor art figures, which are 3 times or 4 times more expensive, it's enough to buy just those for $50, all of them in one package. So yeah, that's it for today. Let's just focus here on that guy, the girl, and here I call him boss with a cigar, and the fat guy, yeah, with some dirty t-shirt. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this episode. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe, because more videos will come. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.